to my channel. So today I'm just going to show you how to turn a regular shirt into a structured trending top. So enjoy. The beginning of the video is a bit blurry. This is simply because I didn't notice on time, so but it gets clearer as it goes. I've been in MIA for a while because of I'm settling on a new job, so I have to just work out a new schedule. And I'm back, guys. I'm really back. I miss you all. So as the tradition is in this my channel, I've removed the sleeve and then the length I'm making it 18-inch. Now I'm just going to work on the neck area. I want it to be a V shape, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to also increase the depth of the back neck area so that it fits perfectly on my shoulder. So that's what I'm doing right this minute. I'm just gonna cut it off. My voice is still not clear simply because I'm doing this voice over 5 a.m. in the morning, so I just woke up. So now I'm just going to fix in the darting at the armhole, because I removed the sleeve, so I need to shape it so that it can curve my upper body. So what you just need, just measure 5 inches down and then slant it like this, half an inch on both sides, and then you just sew it. It's more like darting at the sides. It gives it a very perfect finish. So that's what I did here. So I went ahead to also hem the sleeve round, the neck area round, and then the down part of the top round. So this is ready for the next step. Just hem all the place that is showing. That's what I did here. So I'm just going to use the sleeves to cut out the strap hole and then the strap itself, because I need a base where I'll put through the strap. So I'm cutting out the base now. This will go halfway around the down part of the top. So that's what I'm cutting. In my tutorial, nothing gets wasted. You make sure you use every part of the material, so there's going to be a bit of joining so that it's enough for this tutorial. So after the joining, I'm just going to fold to create a strap. I did here, I fold all the edges and then created a strap. The strap hole has edges already. Now I'm just going to measure from where I'm going to put the peplum. So this is more than halfway from the top. And next I'm just going to fold in, gather in the down parts that I removed initially. So this is it, and then I'm just going to put the strap hole, match the top. This is it after matching the top. So that's the hole where the strap will go in, and this is the next step. It's just going to place it from where you measure and then pin it down before sewing on top of it. Of course, you're sewing it halfway around like this, and voila, it's ready. And then to the strap, just get a safety pin and then use it to pass through the armhole, the strap hole to the other end, and then your top is ready to rock. So thanks so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet. And thank you so much, all my new subscribers. I'm seeing you. Thank you so much. I appreciate. See you on my next video, hopefully soonest, because I've successfully planned my schedule. Thanks. Love you guys. Peace out.